Megan Denner and today is August 12. Holiday dapat, pero pasok ako kasi attend ako ng training na GIS, Geographic Information Systems. Check it out. Ano, Pop 6 simula na? As you can see, walang tao sa institute ko. Konti lang kami mga umattend. Kaya kami masisipag na papasok ngayon dito sa IRRI. Ang 13 participants yata kami, like half from IRRI then half from outside. Attend ako for this training kasi necessary sa akin. Geospatial. Hi, Mali!
Holiday, they go through, so did not have much preparations because recently we have a workshop and we have other training.
Expectation is last 2 years I am working.
And I expect this course to be challenging.
Challenging. Just have the group photo. After the group photo, we took a small quiz to get the level of our knowledge on GIS, and I think I get 13 out of 21. That's all with the training.
Because it is now part of 3.8. It is now called snapping. We analyze that. Basically, we separate elliptical. Some say it's flat. And there's a group.
Rice area is affected by flood.
That's a good training. I say it in one word, it's intense. Practically learning about assessing flood, crop intensity, using QGIS, and that's a thing that we are going into. Then tomorrow, field map, maybe a bit of drone, GPS, the things I already do, but I'm going to actually apply it in my work. So yeah. Having a hard time installing 4 gig 10 on a Mac. That ends day 1 of the training. Tomorrow may drone flight pala, tsaka GPS sampling kami dun sa DSR field. So yun, tabayan na natin bukas yan. See ya! Building ko sa likod. Ito yung DSR C, Direct Seeded Rice Consortium. Ito yung kanilang field. Dito sila nagpupunta. Mavic, Hasselblad, and then Arnel will do the drone deploy. Oh, there it is. It's flying. was very, like I said, intense training that we have on GIS, QGIS, which is a free software. But the thing is, I love that software because now I know how to map out the geotags that I do on the GPS. Remember what I did in Agusan, where we gather all the GPS tags of the fields and the farmer's home? Now I know how to do it on a map. It's not that easy, especially if you like to join different tables in one file. But it's a good learning curve for me to do GIS. And now I can do that maybe on a drone if we also do geotagging via drone. Tonight is gonna be dinner, fellowship night at the San Pablo area, which is far away from my home. And let's check it out. See ya. Pablo, Sama's plate. Papi!
Hey guys!
Ito ang magaling natin GIS expert. Nice place they have here. Samuel's Plates since 2016. Sarap. Bacon, mashed potato, sarap. All the appetizers up to native food. Busog. No rice. So I'm still doing the diet. So I think I'll end the vlog here. Day 2. Time for day 3. See ya. This is georeferencing a scan for a JPEG map with coordinates. A good session today about vector processing, which is a bit technical but still useful. The one I found useful was the georeferencing, the non-coordinated maps, digitize, and then reference. Perfect for my knowledge and new skill. We're gonna do Game of Rice tomorrow with Lauro for the Rice Research Reproduction course tomorrow morning. So we're gonna do dry run today. Still work on a 12 noon break time. Dedication.
If you have a predefined
That ends day 3 of the GIS training. Well, this time we did cartography or mapping using the GIS. So tomorrow, mag-start kami ng what do you call this? A Game of Rice 2019. I'll just capture some snippets of it. I don't know who the participants are. Never had the chance to meet. And tomorrow ko pala makikita 14 participants from all around the globe. Day 4 na. Good day, peeps. Megan dinner. Day 4 na. Of course, day I'll be doing the Game of Rice presentation again of Dr. Barket. On the way na ako. Ito na. I thought I'm late. Iba pala yung napuntahan ko. So ito yung sa rice production course. Napataw. The stages of rice plant right here. Laro, may YouTube ka na ba?
Wala kayo ba sa iyo?
Magpapasubscribe. Ano
Ito,
ba?
nagbibitaw ng microphone.
Ah! Opo,
For our first topic today, the Game of Rice. So this will be actually managed by or facilitated by Mr. Tenor De Leon and to be assisted by Laura Chesa.
Okay, so we've done part 1. We've divided into 4 groups and should only have 1 active laptop for each group. You can connect to IRRI's network. Please connect to IRRI's network right now because so there's only 1 laptop for each group as much as possible. Okay? So the reason for that I'll try to explain later. Okay, then if you have Wi-Fi, then you need to access this one. knowledgebank.tv.org/ricegrow. So maybe I can assign someone who is like an operator, the one with a laptop who can access that, and a finance manager. And that's very crucial. I distributed the worksheet. There's also an access online. If you like to access, you can also, so you're the auditor. You can also decide what pest management to use. You have to use either IPM. So the most widely used preventive practice is pesticide that reduces the yield by 20%. So be careful. Modification of cultural practices and the use of resistant varieties. In one bag. So one bag is equals to 50 kilograms. Okay, the cost of your is 45 pesos. And do you plan to use crash plant preparation? Of course, you decide if it's carabao or the tractor.
Yeah, we have to get all that down first before we can start.
Farm manager, mga advisors, consultants. Okay, now we'll get the So what's the highest percentage of loss you got out of all the 5 seasons? Yeah.
Highest was from the typhoon seasons. We got 35% from the typhoons,
35% loss.
and then another 15 just from.
First, at season 1, we have a negative
Negative.
profit, of course, but we are proud of it. It's from 3,269 to 3,599. So we're very happy for that.
Okay.
So we got 0 snails.
So we had 4 typhoons and everyone was strong enough.
4 typhoons.
Yeah. The minimum loss from typhoon was like 20% out of the 5 seasons. So it was like 20%.
20%.
So your last season it was 20%.
Lucky.
Your God is good.
After loss it is like 2,500 to 3,319 kg.
Okay, we started off really well.
How much?
So, yeah, we started off 7,935 we started off.
Okay.
And then we started consulting the financial manager. Some of my group members behind my back, they got 3,992 during that time.
I mentioned to you that we need to go back. Since with this game, you see
Nothing.
the film.
Oh.
So, for example,
The real world, right
that's the
here.
river. Yes, we probably, but after 2 weeks, 2 days ago, so, how do you determine that it's caused by the bird? Normally, it's birds and rats. Because you see the footprints, yeah, and at the same time they just leave the husk.
So training, I hope they like it, they enjoyed it, and it's always fun doing Game of Rice, and it's time to go back to GIS training right now. So yeah, the hard time running my QGIS files because it always crashes and then it updates. But I was able to catch up. Now we're doing one project using QGIS techniques as a group. Right now we're doing data in Andhra Pradesh. Let's check it out. I'm tired. Finish na aming training, yung project namin presentation is tomorrow morning. Then dinner with Yuji's mom, yung office mate ko, dito sa Palaisdaan again. Tingnan ko kung makakabot pa kasi lobat na ako. If not, goodbye to the vlog. See ya.
generate maps of rice areas.
It's good.
That's
Oh,
for-
pasado.
And
It
for
passed.
us, and during Kharif, it is in July, which is around 154,000 hectares. So in terms of rice accuracy assessment, so this is what we have. And based on the accuracy, overall accuracy shows that 96%. You will see that the darkest color
and the confusion matrix and cropping patterns of puri as well as the cropping intensity using raster calculator, zonal histogram and other
Again, that can be answered by our team. And the last one is how many seasons
Internet, there are in the QGIS, there's a forum. You can post questions if you have things that you want to do, and you can find it in any of the platforms. So to the best singer, Melvin Agnaraingay. Yes, there's only one Melvin. Magbasa gitna.
We want to keep the interaction continue for whatever you're doing in your daily routines or your work. Skill that can be used in multiple areas of work, name it from market to food studies and environmental studies and everything.
That ends the training. Day 5, finally, I've acquired new knowledge. And thanks again, peeps, for that very lovely training. So, see you on the next vlog. I'll end the vlog here. See ya. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the upper left and on the lower right. Peace.